Welcome back to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Rome research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the tool. Today, we're exploring Personal Capital, a powerful financial management tool found at personalcapital.com. This platform offers a comprehensive suite of features designed to give you a holistic view of your finances. It's more than just a budgeting app, it's a robust system for tracking your net worth, investments, spending habits, and even planning for retirement. The platform aggregates information from all your linked accounts, providing a centralized dashboard where you can see your financial picture in real time. One of Personal Capital's standout features is its investment tracking capabilities. You can connect all your investment accounts, including brokerage accounts, 401(k)s, and IRAs, to gain a clear understanding of your portfolio's performance. The tool provides detailed analysis, including asset allocation, investment fees, and historical performance data. This information empowers you to make informed decisions about your investments and optimize your portfolio for long-term growth. Beyond investment tracking, Personal Capital offers budgeting tools to help you manage your spending and achieve your financial goals. You can categorize transactions, set budgets, and track your progress over time. The platform also provides personalized financial advice and planning tools, including retirement planning calculators and fee analyzers. This holistic approach helps you not only understand your current financial standing but also plan for the future. Personal Capital is available both on desktop and mobile devices, giving you the flexibility to manage your finances on the go. The user interface is generally considered user-friendly and intuitive, making it easy to navigate the platform's various features. While the core features are free, Personal Capital also offers premium wealth management services for those seeking personalized financial advice and guidance. This makes the platform suitable for a wide range of users, from those just starting their financial journey to those with complex investment portfolios. So, if you're looking for a robust, all-in-one financial management platform, definitely check out Personal Capital at personalcapital.com. Remember, the link is in the description.